Good day to all. Today, as we promised last time, we'll be talking about the second quiz explanations. So this quiz was about process engineering drawings and introduction to them. While answering these questions, we'll delve into some basic topics and give some explanations. So it's highly recommended to work on the quiz by yourself and then watch the videos. So therefore, we put the link in the description of the video and you can find it. So let's get started. The first question. One of them is not a drawing for process engineers. Overall, there are three main drawings that process engineers can use. The first one is block flow diagram. So the block flow diagram briefly provides a limited information. Second one is process flow diagrams, or briefly PFD. This PFD provides an overview of the entire process. They illustrate the major equipment and process streams and their interconnections. So it shows the flow of materials, major equipment components, then process conditions. And the last one is piping and instrumentation diagram. Piping and instrumentation diagram, it's also written like P and ID. And these P and IDs are detailed diagrams that depict the process piping, equipment, instrumentation, all control devices. And they show also instruments, connections between different components, and also their respective symbols. Coming to the last one, this is cause and effect diagram. This is also the diagram that process engineers can use. However, just to confuse the students, it's written in a wrong way, like process flow diagram, but it should be process flow diagram. Therefore, we choose B. Let's go to the second question. Type of the diagram, it's asked in the question. The diagram is shown with blocks. As you see, this is feed purification unit, the one and the second one, reaction, recycle streams, primary separation, purification, and etc. So as you see, all of the processes are shown with blocks. Therefore, it will be block flow diagram, PFD. Next question. This is open-ended question. In this diagram, each block can represent a single piece of equipment of complete stage in the process. This is initial and simple visual form of production facilities. So initial and simple visual form of production facilities means that we are talking about the BFD, block flow diagram, but provide blank, fill the blank with two keywords. Okay, the mentioned diagram is about the block flow diagram. So block flow diagrams, the keywords for them limited information. Therefore, we'll write limited information. Let's go to the next question. Typically, you can see the major control systems on these diagrams, major, including process flow directions, bypass, and circulation lines. Actually, you can see on PFD and also P&ID, this type of the things, but it says major control system, major control valves. Therefore, we'll choose PFD. PFD. Next question. X means an opening where a gas stream is continuously or periodically discharged during normal operation. What is X? Okay. If it's about the gas, it will be venting. But what is drainage? Drainage, actually, it's the discharge of the liquids from the separators or from the other sources. It will be drainage. We have also DWV. Most probably you have known already what is waste. And DWV is drain, waste, and vent. The answer will be venting. Next question, it's about equipment. This equipment used to transfer heat from one medium to another. Which equipment is it? We are talking about here the heat transfer, and the heat transfer is done via heat exchangers in the process engineering, and the driving force for heat transfer we'll learn about in the upcoming sessions. It will be temperature difference. So next question, correct variant for pumps. The first variant is device that moves liquid, yes. Sometimes slurries, correct, by mechanical action, typically converted from electrical energy into hydraulic energy. This is correct. The next one is mechanical device that increase pressure of gas. So this is red flag for us because pressure of the gas is increased via compressor by reducing its volume. It's not pump. The variant C is an operation in which moisture is removed thermally from a liquid-solid mixture. Most probably it should be a dryer. That's why we are also not choosing this one. The correct one, the most appropriate one will be variant A. Next question, which equipment is defined with the symbol given in figure on PFDs? So learning symbols actually is very important aspect of process engineering to see and also being able to read all the diagrams. This symbol is gate valve. The variant E is correct. Next and last one. One of them is not given as the essential info in PFDs. So in PFDs, as a brief information, we said there are two types of information given on these diagrams. The first one is essentially must be given. They are like operating conditions, temperature, pressure, and also diagram itself. Additionally, mass flow rates like with compositions or total mass flow rate. However, like molar flow rate and also remaining properties, they will be covered and given in the optional information, but it is asked to find the essential information. Therefore, molar flow rate will not be provided as essential, but mass flow rate is essential. That's all from the second quiz. So let's meet in the third quiz explanations. The third topic will be about physical and chemical properties. See you.